The specifications of cruiser Belfast after the modernization of 1942. Length 613 feet 6 inches. Beam 66 feet 3 inches. Draft 23 feet 4 inches. Total displacement 14,900 tons. The power plant included 4 turbo gear Parsons turbines and 4 Admiralty boilers and produced 80,000 horsepower. The cruiser's maximum speed reached 31 knots after the modernization. Armor. Main belt 4.5 inches. Decks from 2 to 3 inches. Athwartship bulkheads 2.5 inches. Primary armament turrets were protected by armor from 2 to 4 inches thick. Armament. Primary armament. 12 6-inch Mark 23 guns in 4 turrets. Long-range anti-aircraft artillery. 12 Mark 16 cannons in coaxial mounts. Caliber 4 inches. Small caliber anti-aircraft artillery. 2 Vickers Mark 6A 8-barrel pom-pom guns. Caliber 1.6 inches. 4 single-barrel and 5 coaxial Oerlikon mounts. The cruiser carried 2 triple TR-4 torpedo launchers with a caliber of 21 inches. 3 Supermarine Walrus aircraft were on board to carry out reconnaissance and fire adjustment. Cruising range 12,200 miles at 12 knots.